Hello, my dear little kids. A very happy, fresh morning to all of you. So, how are you all today? I hope you and your family is keeping well, and I pray for your good health. So, children, this is your maths class. So, let's begin. Okay. So, children, we were learning shapes. So children, please turn on page number 107, and yes, here a figure has been given in your book. In the bottom of your book, please look at the figure and count and write the number of each flat shape. Okay, हमें क्या करना है, फ्लैट शेप को काउंट करना है और उनके उनके नंबर्स को हमें यहाँ साइड में जो राइट साइड में दिया हुआ है वहाँ ब्लैंक स्पेस में हमें फिल करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द स्क्वायर, काउंट द स्क्वायर्स. कैन यू काउंट? जस्ट लुक 1 2. ओके, तो हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स? 2, but one more square is there. Can you see? Just look, 1 2 3 4. Yes, you can see here this square is also there. Yes, it means there are 3 squares. How many squares? 3 squares. Okay, now count the rectangle. Now count the rectangle, children. So please, can you see this one? And it is 2. ये देखिए 2 है ना, ये पूरा एक. Yes, 2. So children, 2 rectangles. Okay, so write 2 rectangles. Now count the triangles. So please count triangles. 1 2 3 4. Yes, and yes, this is also a triangle. 5. So please write 5 triangles. Now count the circles. 1 circle and 2 circles. So circles are 2. Okay, in this way count all the flat shapes and write the number. Okay, 3 squares, 2 rectangles, 5 triangles and 2 circles. Okay, now children, we will learn about patterns. Okay, तो अब बस इसे हमें क्या करना है, रीड. ओके, शीबा मेड अ नेकलेस ऑफ बीड्स फॉर हर मदर. शीबा ने नेकलेस बनाया ना बीड से अपनी मदर के लिए. यू कैन सी हेयर पिक्चर हैज़ बीन गिवन अलॉन्ग साइड. यस, ओके, शीबा ने क्या बनाया, ये एक नेकलेस बनाया है, बीड्स का यूज़ किया है. She used the beads of 2 colors, blue and orange. The colors of the beads are repeating like this: orange, blue, orange, blue. Can you see? Have you noticed in this necklace? Yes, 2 colored beads. Okay, देखो जो beads यूज़ हुए हैं वो 2 कलर्स के हैं. करेक्ट, द beads of 2 कलर्स. एंड किस पैटर्न में यूज़ किए हैं वो? ऑरेंज ब्लू, ऑरेंज ब्लू, ऑरेंज ब्लू, ऑरेंज ब्लू. ठीक है, इसी को ही हम पैटर्न कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? इसी को हम पैटर्न बोलते हैं. ठीक है, इट इज कॉल्ड अ पैटर्न. यस, ओके. नाउ ऑब्जर्व सम पैटर्न्स. देखो अब कुछ जो पैटर्न्स हैं उनको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. ऑरेंज ग्रीन, ऑरेंज स्क्वायर ग्रीन स्क्वायर, ऑरेंज स्क्वायर ग्रीन स्क्वायर. इसका पैटर्न क्या है, आपको समझ आया? अ ग्रीन स्क्वायर आफ्टर ए येलो वन. करेक्ट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स ऑब्जर्व द अदर पैटर्न. ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल, स्क्वायर, then again triangle, triangle, square, a square after 2 triangles. Okay, a square after 2 triangles. मतलब first draw 2 triangles, then again square. Okay, तो ये पैटर्न है इसका. ओके, नाउ let's do the exercise on the same topic. Draw the missing shapes to complete the patterns. अभी हमें पैटर्न्स को कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, यू कैन सी हेयर, ये पैटर्न क्या है? ओवल सर्कल, ओवल सर्कल, ओवल सर्कल, एंड अगेन नाउ ओवल, देन सर्कल, then again oval. Okay, complete? Yes, in this way we have to complete all the patterns. Okay, let's see the next one. Square plus square plus square plus, it means a pink square. Yes, a pink square, then blue plus, then again now here blue plus, now pink square. Okay, then again plus, okay, now again square. Now let's see the other one. Square rectangle, square rectangle, square rectangle, it means a rectangle after each square. Okay, so now we will make here square, then rectangle, then square. Okay, in this way we will complete this pattern. Now please come to the next one. Triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle, square. Now again triangle, okay, triangle, rectangle, okay, now square. ये देखिए, okay, in diamond shape ना. Okay, so children, now please let's see the next one. Circle the pictures that will come next in the patterns. One has been done for you. Okay children, देखो, banana, strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana, then what will come here? Yes, strawberry. So here we have encircled strawberry. Okay, now next one. Teddy bear, cat, sorry, देखो, 2 teddy bears, 2 hats, then again teddy bear, then what will come here? Yes children, here teddy bear will come, so we will encircle the teddy bear. Okay, yes, okay, now let's see the next one. Ice cream, and I think it is jelly. Ice cream, jelly. Oh children, it is not ice cream, this is cupcake. Okay, cupcake, donut and hot dog. Cupcake, donut, and now what will come here? Hot dog. So please now encircle hot dog. Okay, now let's observe the next pattern. Pumpkin, tomato, tomato, again pumpkin, tomato, then again tomato. Okay, so encircle tomato. So it is very simple patterns. Okay, we will do more practice of the pattern. Okay, इस तरह के patterns आपके एग्ज़ाम में भी आ सकते हैं, तो आप इसकी जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. Now in this way today we have completed this chapter shapes. Okay, now we will do worksheet on shapes. Okay, so children, here you can see your worksheet book, Maths Marvel Treasure Chest. Please open your book, turn on page number 25. Here worksheet number 9, shapes and patterns. Okay, choose the correct option for each question. Okay, first select the odd one out. select the odd one out. जो थोड़ा odd मतलब कि जो different है उसको हमें select करना है. ओके, it is which shape? Cuboid, cube, and it is the same shape but it is cylinder shape. Yes, so it is odd one, so we will tick here. Okay, now let's see the next one. Select the odd one out. Again the same question. Square, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Okay, so circle is different. Okay, देखो जो रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर होते हैं उनकी 4 साइड्स होती हैं. यस, 4 ही कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. बट सर्कल it is different. It has no side, no corner. Correct, children? Okay, now next one. Select the odd one out. अभी इसमें हमें फिर से odd one out करना है. ओके, इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपको आपके एग्जाम में देखने को मिलेंगे. So children, here it is a triangle, then it is what? Square shape, again triangle and again triangle. Yes, देखो इनकी जो shapes है वो है triangle, but इनके sizes different है. You can see the size of this triangle and this triangle is not same. Yes, but all the triangles are made up of 3 lines, but this square is not made up of 3 lines. It is made up of 4 lines. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. It is different, so we will take here. The next question is same. Select the odd one out. Square, square, again square, but it is not square, it is triangle, so it is different. Okay, now let's see fifth. The figure shown alongside, मतलब आपको साइड में एक फिगर दी हुई है, has blank space, straight and blank space, curved lines. तो ये जो अभी हमें फिगर यहाँ दी हुई है इसमें हमें बताना है कि कितनी लाइंस इसकी स्ट्रेट हैं और कितनी लाइंस इसकी कर्व्ड हैं. ओके, तो चिल्ड्रन यू कैन सी हेयर इट इज़ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, but it is not straight, it is curved line. Correct, children? So it means we can say there are 2 straight lines with 2 curved lines. Okay, yes, so it means the option A is correct, 2 and 2. Okay, now sixth, we have to complete pattern here. In the next one, what will come next? You can see here a circle over a triangle, here triangle over a circle, here triangle over a circle, but here circle over a triangle. Now what will come here? Can you tell me? Yes, here we will draw a triangle over a circle. Okay, a triangle over a circle. Okay, now so take this one. Okay, your correct answer is B. Okay, children. Now children, please complete the worksheet number 9. Yes, and revise this lesson. जितना आप इस लेसन को रिवाइज करेंगे उतना ही आपके लिए बेटर होगा. ओके, so one homework is here for kids. Today I am not going any homework. Okay, but tomorrow I will give homework from this chapter. Yes, children. Learn and revise all the shapes. Okay, आपको अपने घर पर क्या प्रैक्टिस करनी है? ट्रायंगल, सर्कल, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, इनकी शेप्स को बनाकर देखना है, ओके, और चेक करना है उनकी साइड्स, उनके कॉर्नर्स, इनको चेक करना है, ओके। सो चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।